What's up, guys? So just finished the install on my Metalcloak Overline rear fenders. It's got the inner fender bracket here that bolts up to the Jeep, and then the actual flare, you can actually do different style flares. You can do a 4-inch, a 6-inch, I think an 8-inch, and then they also have like a tube, a rub rail like I have in the front, similar to that. But I opted for the 4-inch. I liked tires poke out a little bit, and it's not so massive looking. It doesn't look like some huge, flare off the side. So pretty simple. It bolts up there, and there. I did have to drill into the Jeep, so you do have to do that. Wasn't too difficult. Just you put it up. Well, you guys actually saw in the install video how it was all done. Pretty simple, not too difficult, but as you can see, add a ton of more clearance. I'm not going to be rubbing on that stock flare anymore. It's got a nice looks nice and clean. Yeah, so now the next step is to getting eaten by mosquitoes. So next step is going to be putting the rear tire carrier on, rear bumper and tire carrier. So that is going to go on next. I have that, so I was going to find some time to put that on. And I did the rears first because with people in the back with my stock flare, I would rub on the stock flare, because the stock flare basically was, open this up, basically the stock flare mounted up here and then came to here, so I just gained a decent amount of extra space. So now now that it's up a lot higher, now it should be a lot better. So but yeah, those are the Metalcloak Overline rear fenders. And then I also have those, if you haven't seen my other videos, I have the Metalcloak front fenders, and those come with the integrated turn signals in there, the LEDs, which are really nice. And then I opted for the rub rail. So this is the actual fender, and then this is the flare itself. The flare itself is just the rub rail. So, but yeah, so that's kind of what the Jeep looks like now, guys. So yeah, I really like the way it turned out so far. Starting to come together, definitely better than those stock flares. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I'll be doing videos on putting that rear tire carrier on and everything like that. So definitely stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in the next video.